Pretty little black skin girl. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl dipped in chocolate. So today is my day off. So let's see from the title down below. A day in my life, well, a day off in my life. But just get up a while ago and make a cook because I have a lot of errands to run later. So may I wonder if I run my errands then come back come cook. You know what? I'm gonna run my errands and then I come back and cook. But just gonna cook some noodles, eat that, go up on the road, go do what I have to do, and come back. Cause I was just about to cook, you know, but I'm thinking about it. I'm like, I'm gonna have to warm up the food and I'll come back and I don't. So my rice and I'm ready for cooking now. Alright, so I'm just gonna season up the food and season up the meat and put it in the fridge. And come back, come cook later. Cause it don't make no sense. And then we go boom. And cook now. So I'm gonna season up the meat. This is boneless, skinless meat. I don't know what it's called. There's some weird ass names and weird ass things. You know, weird because if we're going to a big supermarket, can't find a chicken. One time I said to me, say, there's no snapper, parrot, grunt, there are no butterfish, nothing. So I say, alright, cool. I can understand that. But me I go to a big supermarket and I can't find all the chicken, come on, no need for beef for real. Boneless and skinless. Me the business about the skin and the bone more in the meat. Oh, boneless, skinless. Some people know them limited, you know. Anyways, I go get I spread up my bed, take a shower, head on the road. So let's go, guys. Are we turning up? Are we wasting time? Alright, so I'm gonna say I'm gonna season up your meat. So it look right now. Let's go fricassee it, yeah. I'm saying I like curry it. I like me for curry it or fricassee it, but later me decide if I go fricassee it or curry it. So I'm gonna cut up some of them season here. Cut up the season. How are you in a movie, Mr. Onion? Mr. Onion Prime. Alright, I'm gonna cut up the season. Cut up the little part there, okay. And you see me have the big old onion and I struggle with the little piece here. Come I like waste things, so I dash it away now. Anyways, go and listen to some music, guys. Or I'm gonna try cook. Girl, don't waste my time, you know. Party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna make you. That's what he's someone do. Fuck, I look like I don't. So I just got 2 of my packages and I'm gonna ride out to the town to get the other 2. So stressing. So empty out my garbage. So much things never done been in garbage. So guys, me just the out here is a bill because me did call the shipping company and them said to me say them can't find the shipment. So they might look for it and then they might call me or they might put it in my PO box, so that means they might not forget it. So that's good. And it's very good. So I don't know what to do. To come this time I have a whole day. They say I walk around the park and everything, but it rain and drew. So that don't make no sense. So mother just relax today, go and watch some Netflix. So after this one I go see me in the kitchen and cook. Big chef. Me want go to the supermarket go buy some peas, you know. Cause me never eat cook rice and peas before. So I don't want to try it. Rice and peas and fricassee chicken. Nice. Yeah. Maybe go live on YouTube later. So guys, I have been going live on YouTube like often. So if you guys are interested in having some solid conversations with me online, you can look out for my YouTube lives. So come head mad. I need to pull out my hair. I want to do it with somebody. You know, want somebody help me pull it out because my naturally hair the boy, so I mean I want it pop out. Some big level mosquito there, see. But anyways, guys, you'll see me when I'm cooking. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna unpack my packages. If I want to them something, yeah, 2 weeks now. I said going to live back a bush. Oh my god, so I bought like, I think I bought 2 sneakers and some dress. I don't know, but I'm excited. A long time I wait upon them. I'm waiting on them too long now. Okay, let's see. Oh shoot. So fine though. Alright, let me try it on. And then I have this, I think this is a romper. Them boy don't got no Barbies. So them are going like say them have Barbies and them not have Barbies. So this is like a one something there. One shoulder, off shoulder, romper. I think I'm gonna wear the romper with this sneakers. I'm not sure yet. It's angled, don't it? I love it. It looks so good. Nice bag. I also bought this dress. It was so cute to me. Like it was just so tall. It maybe reached near my ankle. I'm not sure. It's so fire though. This is what, small, and it has this split at the back. Like guys, I don't know if you realize, but I'm trying to look like aesthetically pleasing. It's just so nice. I just find it so cute and girly and soft to be like neutral colors like shades of brown, white, black, gray. You know, it's just nice. I'm trying to, you know, wear more of those type of clothes. So, you know, all of these are from Shein. This is so nice. The material is thick. I might leave the links in my description down below. I'm not sure yet. I might do it and I might forget. So I really like this. I'm gonna try on the shoes after. This is another sneakers that I got. I'm supposed to be getting like some other stuff, but I guess it don't reach. Well, it reach, but there are difficulties as usual. Difficulties getting there. So me never know say I saw Shein go on with them stuff. Me not lie, but them look good. So this is another sneakers. Ooh, fresh drop. So all these sneakers, these clothes are from Shein. Fresh drop. So I'm going to try them on now, and then I'm gonna show you guys what's popping.
Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna make Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your orange to the feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, babe? Oh, feel me, babe. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your orange.
So the rice is on the fire, you know, so that is butter. Over there is garlic on the rice. This is the pre-seasoned meat. When time I see the rice soon simmer down, I go start with the meat. I'm gonna do the fricassee chicken. But still I contemplate with them for the fricassee or curry, you know what, you know, me figure out something. So I decided to go with the curry, so now I have some curry in the pot burning, you know. So yeah, let's see how it goes, man. This will steam down nice. Yeah, chef, you know, I'm pretty thing, you know. So I added some what you call it? Some Irish in the curry chicken off camera. Time for me to shit. Look up. No, so this not look good. Look. Take it off for the. Why? Some of us eat little and do one look at taste test for now. I'm not saying that the girl angle the rice. I angle the rice, man. You want your boy angle triangle? Me that boy. Cover me, Lord Jesus, and thank you, Lord Jesus, for this food. Yes, not sure. I'm gonna triangle that. ASMR. Oh, it's nicey. Nice one. So let's do a taste test. So my rate is out of 10. I'm gonna angle this, man. This tastes like the best curry chicken I ever cook. Me I learn, man, me I learn. I'm learning. Nice, man. For real, I'm not gonna lie. You know something I lie. You know something I lie. You know something giving to me. Honest. Just good. Let me tell you. Because supermarket, I'm gonna buy the right seasoning them. And plus I have pepper in it, so it's extra nice to me. Nice, man.
Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party. I don't just wanna chill with you.
So guys, I'm done doing what I'm supposed to do for the day. It was kind of boring because it was relaxing and boring. Because me not do what I'm supposed to do. I'm right go out in the town, go get some things done and run some errands. But the rain did a Jew and we did already get through with some of the things that me want to do in the town. So I'm just gonna sleep right now for work a morning. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Turn your post notification bell to be notified whenever Dipped in Chocolate uploads another video. I hope that next time you guys see me, I would be having a different hairstyle. I hope. But without further ado, let's go and live, love, and put yourself first. I know that some of us we think about what people have to say, but if that person is not feeding you or giving you cash, don't care about nothing what nobody wants to say, even if. You understand? Just big up on yourself and go on all a good meds. Signing out.